bago malis?
Take the next right onto Juan Rosmina Street, then turn left onto Don Julio Lorente Street.
Ang pinakamatibay na chance, si archery Pag ganun, hindi ka ba nalilipasan ng gutom?
Unless yung like, pagod ako, ang tingin ko na gutom. No,
Turn left onto Don Julio Lorente Street, J. Lorente Street, then your destination will be on the right.
Ayan sinabuko si ate.
You have arrived in your destination. Salamat sa ligtas na travel natin, Venus.
Thank you, Belus!
Your destination is on the right.
Ay, wag mo muna isa.